Here we are in Bay St. Louis, Mississippi. And the Amtrak Mardi Gras Service left New Orleans this morning. Just stopped here in Bay St. Louis. Here it comes. There it goes, full of people headed toward. The next stop would be Gulfport, then Biloxi, as they cross St. Louis Bay. Then Pascagoula, Mississippi, and then Mobile. It's pretty cool. Places, let's go. Once again, we're here in Bay St. Louis, Mississippi. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet of the train. Come ride sometime. It's very economical.